In a lot of the disability claims we handle, those are denials where people have been denied. But one of the common calls that I get almost on a daily basis is to say, look, my doctor hasn't released me back to work, but I just got a denial letter from the disability insurance company. So how do they know more than my doctor, and how could they deny my claim in this situation?
Well, Greg, they actually don't know more than your doctor. Your doctor knows more than their doctors do and more than they know. Unfortunately, they're allowed to hire their peer review physicians to make determinations without ever seeing you. And the law doesn't really require them to take what your doctors say as you know, as the rule or as rule of thumb. So they don't have to approve you just because your doctor has said you can't go back to work.
Right, so it's,
Yeah.
this disability process, especially if you've been in it for a while or you're new to it, is far more complicated than just your doctor signing a form saying, Mrs. Johnson can't work.
Exactly.
It has to be, the forms have to be filled out in a very detailed manner. You have to have meticulous medical records supporting your claim, and you can't get complacent to think that you're gonna stay on claim just because your doctor wrote a note. But you said something about they can go get their own medical review. It could be a nurse, it could be a doctor, but what do they usually do in order to disagree with a treating doctor's opinion?
Usually, all they do is hire a physician. They call them a peer review physician. And what these doctors do is they review your medical records only. They don't examine the claimant. They just look at the records and they make their determination as to what they believe you're capable of doing. And more often than not, their opinion is that you can go back to work regardless of how sick you are or how many times your doctor says there's no way you're capable of working.
Okay, so the workaround for us usually is we work with the claimant, make sure their medical records are as good as they can be. We make sure if they have a peer review doctor that their doctor will speak to the treating doctors, and we'll assist clients if we have to go out and get more doctors. We'll do that to further improve the claimant's chances of staying on claim and proving that they're disabled. Obviously, there's many more strategies and things that we can do that we can discuss, but it's a case-by-case analysis. So if you're having any issues whatsoever with your disability claim, feel free to call Rachel or any of our disability attorneys. We'll always offer you a free consultation, and we look forward to speaking with you.